So let me talk about updating software on the Adobe Creative Cloud. You can tell that you don't have the latest version if it says update available, but we don't always want to get the latest version. Click on the three little dots to the right here and it'll show an option for other versions. So as of when I recorded this is the latest version. It's the last version we're going to have for 2022. When the 2023 one comes out, we do not want to upgrade to that. We're going to stay on this version for the rest of the year. That's what I anticipate. So we can, at this point, install this latest version. Notice we can get earlier ones, but I'm going to go ahead and install this one. Now, because it is the most recent version, it's going to automatically change the settings to where it's going to update automatically. And that's what we need to avoid, is Adobe Creative Cloud thinking it's in charge. So I'm going to go and find my settings. I'm going to click on my little account avatar there, look at my preferences, and right here under apps, we want to make sure that auto update is not on. As I've been doing this with students and they get the latest version, this gets switched on, and that could be dangerous because then it's always going to, every time a little update comes out, it'll be changing it. So make sure that that is off and then click done. If you want to see where you are on the update process, this cloud right here will show you that it is updating Premiere Pro. If you have a slightly different looking screen than I do, some students were asking about the full screen preview that some students are able to do. That's in the latest version. And the menu bar with all of the different editing spaces, all the workspaces that I have in my tutorials, they don't have anymore. So they have to go to Window Workspace and select the workspace. Those are differences that you want to be able to manage depending on which version you have.